Hello, this is John Kelly of the Kelly Law Team. I had a question regarding what I should do if I'm involved in a motorcycle accident. So I wanted to go over a few things that are important. If you're in an accident, obviously the main goal right away is to make sure that everyone's in a safe area. Get off the highway, get off the road to the side of the road. Call for medical attention if you need to call 911. Important to do that. The other thing that you want to do is make sure that the police respond. If you call 911, they're going to come anyway, but if it's slightly more minor injuries, you're going to want to call the police out to the scene. Hopefully they'll take detailed statements. You want to provide them with those statements and make sure that the adverse driver, if they caused it, gets issued a citation. The other big issue that comes up in these cases is that the insurance company, when they find out about the accident, which they will, oftentimes will call you, and it's the adverse insurance company, and they can be a little bit sneaky, and they can try to settle the claim right away and say, hey, we'll offer you a settlement. So you want to be aware that you should not make any statements to them about the accident, how it was caused, what your injuries are. Those are all things that they can later come back and try to use against you. So that's very important to get across. And what you can do is just call an attorney, a personal injury attorney, and have a consultation on it. Don't necessarily need to hire anyone right away, but you want to know what your options are, what other avenues you may have for recovery from just one driver. If there's multiple vehicles, it can get very complicated fast. So you want to at least get that consultation and make sure that you're getting to the right medical care providers and taken care of. So that kind of proactive approach is your best bet. If you have any other questions, please call the Kelly Law Team. I'd be happy to give you a consultation.